And I'm Dylan Black. Did you know that this month is Pet Dental Health Month? Very important. Probably didn't know how important it is, and well, we'll find out more right now with Steve Pavlinek. With his, you're the owner, 2 different locations of a Pet Valu.
Yep.
So where exactly are your locations?
So we have 2 stores, one in Kemptville and one at the Gloucester Centre here in Ottawa. But of course, there are Pet Valus located all throughout the Ottawa area.
Okay.
Yeah.
And who do you have here? I love the name.
This is Victor Newman.
Victor Newman.
He's a 2.5-year-old German Shepherd Border Collie.
Victor Newman.
Yeah.
Nicky, you've been very bad.
Yeah. Totally. It's the eyebrows. That's how he got the name.
It's mustache or something, right? Why did you call him Victor Newman, by the way?
You know, he's a German Shepherd. I wanted some German influence.
Eric Brayton.
Yeah, exactly. He's German. So
from Young and the Restless, by the way.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah. Don't watch that show. Watch Daytime Ottawa. Okay, so it's a problem.
It is a problem. Just like us, dogs can suffer from plaque, tartar, gingivitis. The American Veterinary Dental Society says up to 80% of dogs and 70% of cats show signs of oral disease by age 3.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. So what's the best way to solve this?
So the best way is daily brushing. That's kind of the gold standard for taking care of your pet's teeth, if you can do daily brushing. Okay. We also have a lot of other great products, though, that don't require brushing as well.
Okay, because a lot of first of all, when someone says I need to brush my dog's teeth or cat's teeth, you must get a lot of some people looking at you kind of that's not something I really want to do.
Is that necessary?
Yeah.
But you know what? A lot of pet parents notice that their dogs have bad breath. Bad breath is often a sign that things might not be going great in there. Could be a sign of bacteria. Could be a sign of mouth infections. So it is something that we definitely want to stay on top of.
Okay, so it's not just a human problem. That's what we're figuring out here.
Yeah.
All right. So I know you brought a bunch of different toys with you, not only toys, but the ways that we can combat the problems of oral health with dogs.
Yeah, absolutely.
Maybe we can look at some of the items that you brought first of all from Pet Valu.
So we have some great products here like toothbrush kits. So we have kind of your standard toothbrush and also some finger brushes. It's really important that you don't use human toothpaste on your dog. So at Pet Valu we have cat and dog toothpaste in a variety of flavors, peanut butter, poultry, vanilla mint. I personally would love to try peanut butter toothpaste. If I found that in my medicine cabinet, I'd be pretty happy.
Can I ask you the reverse then? Would it be bad if you used dog's toothpaste on your teeth?
You know what? I'm really tempted because there is a bacon toothpaste, and it's a tough one not to do.
Now I'm tempted
but
too.
I don't know if bacon breath is really a great thing for the morning. We have these great dental balls.
I could think of worse things.
These are great, as they chew on these balls, the rubber nibs here will massage their gums.
Okay.
We have things like the Merrick Fresh Kisses. This is a great dental treat that'll help with plaque and tartar and freshen your dog's breath. But again, the best thing that we really want to do is brush your dog's teeth.
Okay, so you're going to give us a demonstration here because it does. Maybe is it as easy as it sounds or as difficult as it sounds? Because I'm not sure which one.
It's a great thing to start when your pet is really young so that they get used to it.
Yeah.
So you can start just by touching their face, touching their mouth and teeth, making sure that they're comfortable with that. And then when you're ready, you can actually take a bit of toothpaste. You can put it on your finger and let them taste it first. Let them lick it. And then what you want to do is, I'm using a finger brush here. It's nice and easy. You really just want to expose some teeth. And much like you would for your own teeth, you just want to brush from the gums down at a 45-degree angle.
Oh, wow.
And you want to get all the teeth. It's really important to get the side of the teeth that's facing into the gum. That's where most of the plaque and tartar is going to show up.
Okay.
So you want to do this a tooth or 2 at a time, and then as the dog gets comfortable with it, you can actually start brushing their whole mouth.
Okay. Yeah. So silly question, but I mean, obviously you don't have to rinse. Like this stuff is.
And the toothpaste that we use, no rinsing. If they swallow it, it's fine. And that's one of the issues with human toothpaste is we don't want dogs or cats swallowing that toothpaste. It could upset their tummies.
You can tell Victor Newman is ready to go in the town right now.
Yeah,
Nicky,
totally. He's great. He's ready for a date.
Nicky, get over here. We need to talk about Jack.
Since he was such a good boy, I'm going to give him one of our new Performance dental sticks. This is another good product that will, just help keep their breath kind of fresh, help with plaque and tartar as well, and they are Victor approved.
Victor approved. All right. That's quite awesome.
Also got some great rope toys here. Rope toys are a good choice because they actually provide some flossing action while the dog is chewing on them.
Oh yeah, okay, yeah. Nice. Okay, so what are some of the signs? And you were saying bad breath, but is drooling an issue too?
Bad breath, excessive drooling. It's a great thing about brushing your dog's teeth is it gives you a chance to look inside their mouth and look for inflammation. broken or chipped teeth, excessive drooling is something you mentioned. Sometimes those can be signs of something a little worse going on in the mouth that you might want to check out with the vet.
Because a lot of dogs, though, I mean, they're pretty prone to drooling. There's a lot of drooling.
Oh,
going on,
yeah,
so.
we're talking maybe excessive drooling,
okay.
Not just the typical kind of I see a treat and I start drooling a bit.
Okay.
Yeah.
So some of the products you brought in, obviously, I mean, they're very manageable for a dog to get used to them, and it's
yes.
just it's something.
Absolutely. Because if you find that brushing isn't working for you, we have great things as well, like simple gels and sprays that you can just rub on the dog's gums.
You could use that instead, then just a spray.
Yeah, absolutely.
That would be just
we have a spray. We have some great liquid water additives. You put a capful of this in your dog or cat's water dish. That's also going to help not just keep their breath fresh, but it's going to help with plaque and tartar as well.
That's something.
Yeah.
But you can tell, though, can you tell that their moods even change whenever you keep their mouth clean and all of that?
Well, the mouth health is kind of a gateway to, or oral health is a bit of a gateway to the rest of body health. So I think if you keep your dog's mouth clean, it's going to help keep them healthier and happier.
Okay. Yeah. Sorry, I don't know. Did you show us any products for cats though, or is it
for
primarily
cats,
just some
absolutely.
dog stuff?
So you can brush your cat's teeth. A lot of us know that brushing our cat's teeth, may lead to a loss of vision. So we have great things like. We have some spray. This one is made for cats.
Okay.
So you just spray a few pumps in your cat's water dish. Mm-hmm. We also have some cat gel. We also have cat dental kits with a toothbrush and toothpaste in it. Yeah. And of course, there's things like crunchy treats for cats as well.
This is something, because I really didn't know that this was an issue, and I'm sure now a lot of our viewers are probably on board with this. And,
and after years of pet ownership, I've really learned that paying attention to oral health up front saves you a lot of time and money later on dealing with problem teeth.
Steve from Pet Valu, Kempville, and Ottawa Gloucester Centre, thank you very much for being here today. And thank you, Victor Newman. Lots of fun. Coming up next on Daytime Ottawa, details on Disco Skate Night for a good cause. That's coming up right here on Rogers TV.